Emily here. I've been busy organizing a lot of things in our house recently, and the one finishing touch that I love to add to my organizing projects is a pretty label. You'll see me use a variety of labels, but probably the most common is adhesive vinyl labels. I love using my cutting machine to make these because you can really customize them to fit your needs by changing up the size, the font, the color. It's really easy to do. Today I'm going to share exactly how I make these adhesive vinyl labels using my new Cricut Maker cutting machine. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, so let's dive in. This project is sponsored by my friends at Cricut. I recently organized all of our outgrown baby clothing, so today I'm going to show you how I finished that project by adding these pretty labels to the storage bins for the perfect finishing touch. To make your own pretty labels, you'll need a Cricut Maker cutting machine, adhesive vinyl in any color you'd like, transfer tape, a scissors or paper cutter, the scraper and hook tool, an organizing surface like the storage bins, your computer or phone, a measuring tape, and you may also want a level. Step 1 is determining the size of your label. So grab the storage container that you're labeling and along with your tape measure and determine the height and width of the label. Step 2 is designing your label. So go to Cricut Design Space on your phone or computer and choose a font that you'd like to use for your label. Then you'll need to resize it according to the measurements you took in step 1. One thing to note is that if you're using a cursive font where the letters overlap, you'll need to make sure that you weld all of the letters together so that they cut out as one piece instead of individual letters. Once you have the design the way you like it, make sure that you select multiple words for label and you have to hit attach over here on the right hand panel. That makes it so that Cricut doesn't rearrange the words when you go to cut it. So once you're satisfied with your design, you can hit the green Make It button. You'll need to go into the settings here and just select the type of material and the size, and then you'll be ready to go. Once your design is ready to cut, add a sheet of adhesive vinyl onto your cutting mat and load the cutting mat into your machine. Then all you have to do is watch it cut. Your next step is to weed the vinyl, so cut apart your letters and then use your fingers to pull off the excess vinyl, so all that's left on the backing sheet are the letters themselves. You can use the Cricut hook tool to get into all of the intricate places. Now you'll need to cut a sheet of transfer tape to the size of your label lettering and apply it on top of your label. Then it should be pretty easy to pull it straight up and get all of the lettering along with it. And your final step is to stick the label on in the position that you'd like and pull away the transfer tape. And there you have it, a pretty, beautiful label to organize any project. If you love labeling and organizing things as much as I do, you'll absolutely love all of the customized labels you can create using the Cricut Maker cutting machine. If you enjoyed this organizing project and want to see more projects from me, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave me a comment below. Bye!